in class 11, the grammar section is also very important and it carries 6 marks. And the first unit is determiners. Determiners are used before nouns. It fixes the meaning of nouns. It warns that a noun is coming. For example, this is a. That means a indicates that the noun should come. This is a book. So here a is determiner. This is my. This sentence is not complete. This is my book. This is my pen. So determiners are really used before nouns. Then types of determiners. Number one, a, and, or they. They are also called articles. So they are determiners because they are used before nouns. Second is this, that, these, those. They are also used before nouns. Next, my, our, your, their, his, her, its. They are used before nouns, so they are also called determiners. 1, 2, 3, 4. First, second, third. They are also called determiners because they are used before nouns. Next, any or no. Both are called determiners, but both are not used in the same sentence. For example, I have no any pen. This sentence is wrong. No or any, both are not used together. So, I have no pen. This is a correct sentence. Next, much, many, a lot of, several, various. They are also called determiners because they are also used before nouns. Next, all, both, same, whole, some. They are used before nouns. Next, each, every, either, neither, little, few. All are called determiners because they are used before nouns. So, the use of a, and, or the, they are called determiners, but this article is very important in the use of sentences in English language. A or an is used before the consonant sound or vowel sounds, or they are called indefinite article. The is called definite article, and they are also used before countable or uncountable nouns. A or an is used before countable similar nouns. For example, this is a book, or the boy is playing. An apple is very costly. I eat an apple. So, before the consonant sound, I is used. Before vowel sound, an is used. Then the question may come, how many sounds? 44 sounds. 20 are called vowel sound, and 24 is called consonant sound. So before vowel sound, either it starts with consonant, doesn't matter. In the beginning, what the sound gives. For example, horse and hour. Both words starts with H. H-O-R-A-C, horse. I-H-O-E-R, hour. So, it starts with H but gives the consonant sound or vowel sounds. Horse, gives consonant sound. Our gives vowel sound. So before vowel sound N is used, before consonant sound A is used. And the indicates the definite, the book, the pen, the boy. I know. That means they are definite. So this is the use of article before nouns, and so they are called determiners. Next, these, that, these, those, they are also very important. They are used as pronoun or adjective both. As adjective they are called determiners. This is a book, or this book is mine. So after this, that, these, those, if the pronoun comes, they are called. After this, that, these, those, if the auxiliary verb comes, they are called pronoun. But if they are used before nouns, they are called determiners. For example, this is a book, or this book is mine. This book here, this is used before book, so this is determiners. This is a book, that means this is pronoun. That pen is costly, that is a costly pen. So that book, that is used before book, so they are determiners. Next, 1, 2, 3, first, second, third, they are used. 1 boy, 2 boys, 3 pens, first division, second rank, third division. So they are used before nouns, so they are determiners. Next, much, many, a lot of, several, various. Much is used before uncountable noun, many before countable plural nouns, a lot of used before both the countable or uncountable, countable plural nouns, various or several used before countable plural nouns. For example, I have much milk. I have many books. He gave me a lot of books. He gave me a lot of milk. I have several books. I have various things. So they are used before nouns, countable nouns or uncountable nouns. Next, all, both, same, whole, they are very important. After all or both, the is used. Before whole or same, the is used. All the boys, both the boys, the whole team, the whole class, the whole teacher, the same man, the same book, the same thing. Then little or few, very important. Little, little means nothing, few means nothing. Little is used before uncountable noun, few is used before countable plural nouns. Little money, little hope, few books, few things. But the meaning is negative. But a little, a few, that means something. Or the little, the few, something he or they had. He gave me the little money that he had. He gave me the few books that he had. I have a little money. I have a few books. In the same way, each, every, either, neither, they are used before noun. So they are called determiners. Each boy, every boy, either boy, neither boy. So all the words we mention in the class, they are called determiners because they are used before nouns. So they are very important. And in the next class, now we will discuss the use of a and many, much, a few or a little where necessary. For example, I wrote it on this piece of paper. Next, he wants to write it in ink. Give him dash pen. Third, he bought dash orange and dash banana. Next, they waited for dash bus for half dash hour. Next, dash table is made of wood. Next, during the hot season, most trees have only dash leaves. Next, two dash exercise is bad for the body. Next, the cat caught dash rats. Next, there is a still dash tea in the pot. Next, he did not bring his money, so he borrowed dash dollars from me. So these questions are 10. Now we have to focus. I wrote it on a piece of paper. A piece of paper here, a piece of paper, O is used. Second, he wants to write it in ink. Give him a pen here. Third, he bought an orange and a banana. An orange and banana. Before vowel sound an is used and before consonant sound banana o is used. They waited for dash bus for half dash hour. Next, they waited for a bus for half an hour. Next, table is made of wood. Our table is made of wood. Next, during the hot season, most trees have only dash leaves. During the hot season, most trees have only a few leaves. Next, two dash exercise is bad for the body. So too much exercise is bad for the body. The cat caught dash rats. The cat caught a few rats. There is still a little tea in the pot. And the last, he did not bring his money, so he borrowed a few dollars from me. So, through this sentence, we learn how to use any, much, a few, or a little where necessary. So, an article, many before countable nouns, much uncountable, a few countable plural nouns, a little uncountable nouns. So these are the use of determinants in the sentences.